Hello XRP Ripple coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the XRP. What's the current price of XRP? What's the price changes in the XRP? In this video I'm going to show you, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Now, my friends, in this video I'm talking about the XRP price in the 2022. What will be the price of XRP in 2022? You know what, today is the 2nd July and only the 4th month remaining in the XRP Ripple coin. So what should we do at this time, my friends? Is the price pump more? Is the price dump more? Let's see, my friends. But before starting this video, please, if you are new to my channel and if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe now our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the XRP is 0.650855 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the XRP Ripple coin. And furthermore, you can see that now the latest changes in the XRP is positive. But you know what? In a previous time, in the June month, the whole June month, the price of XRP is going down, my friends. Day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, the XRP price is continuously going down, my friends. Anyways, now let me show you the price chart. Absolutely, this time the price changes in the XRP is positive. So now from the previous 2-3 hours, the XRP start pumping. You can see here in a previous time the price fastened, but now they are in the pumping mode. So absolutely, I also predicted the XRP Ripple coin that they will take a pump. So now it's the beginning of a pump up, and it's congrats to all holders of XRP Ripple coin holders. My friends, if this kind of changes continue in the XRP Ripple coin, I'm talking about this, my friends, like this. If this kind of jumps continue in the XRP Ripple coin, so 2-3 USD dollar, 2-3 USD dollar is my target for the XRP Ripple coin in the 2022, my friends. That's the price. That will be the price of XRP in the 2022, my friends. 2 or 3 USD dollar. If this kind of changes continue in the XRP Ripple coin. How do you feel about XRP Ripple coin and what is your opinion about that? Please also share your opinion in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.